3. We are going to continue with constructions. You will find this on page 233 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. We're going to continue with perpendicular lines, but now the perpendicular from a point on a line. So the point is not on one side of the line, it's exactly on the line. So place the compass, construct a line through P, this P, perpendicular to the line EF. So place the compass point on P, so there's the point on P, and describe two arcs intersecting line EF at 2 points. So make an arc to this side and make an arc to this side. You can label the intersecting points A and B. Do not use a radius that is less than about 1.5 centimeters. Okay. Then, place the sharp point of the compass at point A. Adjust the compass radius so that it's more than half of AB. Draw arcs above and below the line AB without changing the span of the compass. Repeat from point B. Your two small arcs should cross. Connect the intersection of the two pairs of small arcs to point P. So basically, just put it there. You make an arc, top, bottom. Put it there, top, bottom. And this is more just for accuracy. And then you just connect that to 2 points of intersection. And this line will be perpendicular to this line. Okay. I want you to do this one. Copy line. Okay. Stop the video and do try now 3. So it's basically on a line. You can copy it. And then you draw a perpendicular line through R. Okay. Again, for explanation's sake, I'm going to just make another line. Let's just move first this ruler. Okay, just to work here more in the middle, because I think my compass, that line will again be too small for my compass. Okay, so there is my line. Okay, I think that is going to be correct. And I'm going to call this triangle 3. And this is going to be G and H, and we can make R there. That's going to be R. Okay, now let's start. We're going to use the compass. So let's just get the compass. Let's just put it on another color. And now we're just going to adjust the compass. Okay, so I think we're going to make it a bit smaller. So we're going to move it there. I think it's still a bit smaller. Okay, just remember not to move it in between. Okay. Okay, let's just see if it's exactly on that point. Okay, it's exactly on R. I'm going to move it a little bit up. Okay, and now I'm just going to put that one. And then I'm going to move it to the other side without moving it. And then I'm just going to make that one. Okay, and now I move it basically from this point. Okay. Now, it must be more than a half. So, I think I'm just going to stretch it a little bit. Just a little bit. And I think that will be more than half. Now, I move it to this point. And I'm going to move it up. Okay. I just want to see. Let's just see if it's more than a half. Yeah, it's more than half. But I think we can move it still a little bit. Okay. Let's see if it's exactly on that point. Yes. Now we're going to move it up. And basically, we're just going to make an arc. Okay, move it, and make another arc. And then move it to the other side. Okay, and I'm going to show you what I do if you don't cut. Okay, so to the other side. Okay, it's not cutting, and that's all right, because it's going to happen with you also. So go back then to this side and move it back. And basically what we must do now, move it back, we must just extend that. Can you see? And that's what you will do if it's not cutting. And then I'm just going to take my ruler, and again I'm just going to turn it. And then I'm going to put it there. should have been nice if this line was not so exactly. Okay, but because, okay, I think put it there. And then just move it a bit because I think it's going to be, okay, I think that's very good. We can still move it a little. Too much, too much. Okay, and then I'm just going to, oh, sorry, this is going to be, and I just take my pencil, my pen, and I just connect that on that line. And then basically, I'm just moving this away, and this line will be perpendicular to this line. It will be very nice if you take another line with a point, but in this case, make the line, and I'm just going to show you, make the line, say for example, like this. Okay, and then you draw a perpendicular line on that.